There's so much water coming out of this car. I'm not even sure what to make of it. Like, look at that puddle right there. I mean, I guess that should be a good thing because, I mean, it shows that your engine's burning healthy. I don't know, but look at the trail. Because I've been driving and it's just like a whole trail of water coming from my engine. It's not normal. Like, I don't even know. That is like, should I be concerned about that? That's a whole bunch of water that's coming from my exhaust. I haven't driven the car in probably 2 days, so I just turned it on to warm it up, and I decided to drive down to the second parking level. But yeah, I don't know. What if I can mount the camera up and see if I can rev it a little bit? Let me see if I can do that. See how that works out. So I can set the camera up and do it a little rev. See what happens there. Holy smokes. You guys gotta check that out. Look at that. Is that normal? Wow. I did use the very expensive gas, the highest octane in there. Don't know if that have anything to do with it, but like, I mean, look at that puzzle right there. Like, look at that. So much water. Like, guys, listen. It's a puddle coming from my engine. That is insane. Look at that. Is that normal? You guys can let me know if that's normal, please. I'm not even sure right now. Should I be concerned about this? I guess maybe it's been like that, but I've never noticed it. But now this is like I'm saying, there's a whole puddle going on, like literally. That's weird. Anyways, okay, you guys can let me know, is it normal for your engine to your exhaust to be letting out that much water? I've never noticed it before, and then again, I haven't really paid attention to it. I know sometimes when you start up the car for the first little bit, that usually happen, but the car's been running now for a good, I don't know, 15 minutes, and like I said, there's so much water. You can see the puddle. Is that normal? I don't even know, but should I be concerned about that? You guys let me know. I really would appreciate it, because right now I am just like, I'm not like overly concerned. I'm just a little concerned because it's probably like that, but I've never noticed it before. Yeah, so let me know, if this is normal. I really would appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Peace.